For the second capstone topic relating to Arctic changes, I chose to focus on the Yamal Peninsula in Russia. The peninsula is inhabited by the Nenets, an indigenous people who migrate alongside their reindeer. They rely on their reindeer for food and resources in order to survive in the harsh climate. The changes in the Arctic due to climate change have already had severe effects on the Nenets, including melting permafrost and high temperatures. The melting of permafrost will release rain, resulting from warm temperatures caused ice to freeze over, making it impossible for the reindeer to forage in the snow. The Yamal Peninsula is notably vulnerable to changes in the Arctic due to its high latitude and existence of permafrost covering the area. Projections for worsening conditions in the Arctic, along with continuous melting of permafrost, snow cover, and sea ice, will have devastating effects on the way of life in the Yamal Peninsula and make the land uninhabitable for the Nenet people. The inability to rely on their reindeer for food and resources will leave them in an exceptionally weakened state. As seen in projections discussed in class, the Arctic will heat considerably even in the most optimistic of predictions, so without drastic action, the Yamal Peninsula will be changed forever.